Hello students, I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. So welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies, and in today's video we are going to start a new chapter from your Social Studies book. So students, firstly take out your Social Studies book, Window on the World, which is look like this. Okay, and open chapter 5. Okay, open chapter 5 from your social studies book. Okay, so what is our chapter name, students? Our chapter name is My Classroom. Okay, our chapter name is My Classroom. Okay, chapter 5, My Classroom. Now students, tell me, what is a classroom? Do you know the meaning of a classroom? So classroom is a place where students studies together. Okay, so classroom is a place where teachers come and teach and all students studies together. Okay, so it is called a classroom. Is that clear? Now so students, what you will learn in this chapter, so you will learn to describe your classroom. Okay, that how your classroom is. Okay, and you will also learn the name of the things that are present in the classroom. Okay, and you will also learn the uses of the things that are already present in the classroom. Okay, and you will learn to keep your classroom neat and clean. Okay, so students, let's start reading this chapter. Okay, now students, firstly take out your social studies book, open chapter 5, page number 24. Okay, open chapter 5, page number 24 and start reading with me. So hurry up students. And students, so firstly here you can see here activity is given for you, students. So let's do it. Okay, this is an activity for you. So what you have to do, here you can see my classroom. Look around your classroom. What do you see? Given below is a list of things. Circle those things that you find only in your classroom and not at home. Okay, so here you have to circle the things that are only present in the classroom, not in the home, not at the home. Okay, so you have to only circle the things that are only present in the classroom. Is that clear? So here you can see the first one is blackboard, chalk, dustbin, desk, notice board, chair, books, windows, bookshelf, doors, duster, fans, teacher's desk, light, charts, cupboard. Okay, so there are lots of things that are also present at the home, students. So what are the things that is only present in the classroom, not at the home, is blackboard. Okay, so blackboard is only present in the classroom, and second one is notice board. Okay, and the third one is a teacher's desk, fourth one is the chalk. Okay, and fifth one is the duster, sixth one is the charts. Okay, and the seventh one is the desks. Okay, so these all things are only present in the classroom, not at the home. Okay, is that clear? Now students, let's start reading the chapter. At the first you will see the picture of a classroom. Okay, so look at this picture. This is the picture of a classroom. This is how a classroom looks like. Okay, so here it is a board. Teacher is teaching on the board. She writes on a board. Okay, and here you can see a door, and then a window, a teacher's desk, chair, a student's desk, and here students are studying. Here you can see the dustbin. Okay, so these all things are present in the classroom. Okay, so this is the picture of a classroom. This is how a classroom looks like. Is that clear? Now students, let's start reading with me. So put finger on the first line and start reading with me, okay? So you have to listen to me carefully, students, so that you can understand that how I'm pronouncing every single word of this chapter, okay? Is that clear? Now look at here. I am Shubir. This is my classroom. This is my teacher, Miss Datta. She teaches us how to read and write, count and sing and play. She also teaches us to be kind, honest and brave, okay? So here you can see, students, as you have seen in the previous lesson, you have seen there was a boy whose name was Amit, and he was describing his home. And in this chapter you will see here is a boy, his name is Shubir, and he is describing his classroom to us, okay? You can see here. So Shubir is saying that this is my classroom, okay? If you have to say to someone that this is my classroom, then you will say this is my classroom, okay? This is Shubir's classroom that you can see in this picture, okay? This is my teacher, Miss Datta, okay? So the teacher who is teaching in this class, you can see, students, so she is Shubir's teacher, and her name is Miss Datta, okay? So her name is Miss Datta, and she teaches Amit to read and write, to count, sing and play. So teachers teach the students to read and write, count, sing and play, okay? So students, you all teachers teach you to read and write, to sing, to play, okay, to count. Is that clear? And teachers not only teach the students to read and write, not only teach them to bookish knowledge, okay, but they also teach them to be kind, to be honest and brave, okay? They also teach them good habit, the right values, okay? Teachers also teach their students the right values for life, the good habits. Is that clear? So here, as Amit is saying, my teachers not only teach me to read and write, to count and sing and play, but she also teaches us to be kind, honest and brave, okay? Now move on to the next chapter, okay, sorry, next page. Move on to the next page. Turn your page and come on the page number 25, okay? Come on the page number 25. There are many boys and girls in my class. So students, as I told you, a classroom is a place where all students studies together and a teacher teaches them. So in the classroom, not only one student present, there are lots of students. There are so many students in a classroom, okay? So there are so many students studies together, and the place is called classroom. Is that clear? So here Amit is saying that there are so many boys and girls in my classroom, okay? So there are so many class fellows in the Shubir's classroom, okay? So the boy's name is Shubir, not Amit. Is that clear? In my classroom, there are desks and chairs, okay? In my classroom, there are desks and chairs for everybody. The teacher has a big chair and a big desk, okay? So in you all's classroom, there definitely there are desks and chair. So same as in the Shubir's classroom, there are desks and chairs for every student, for his every class fellow and for him. And a teacher has a big chair and a big desk, okay? So teacher don't sit on the students desk and students chair. So they sit on they have a special desk and a special chair, okay? So they have a big desk and a big chair for the teachers in the classroom. Is that clear? So it is called teacher desk, okay? Is that clear? Now move on to the next line and put finger on the next line. We keep our books inside our desk. We use our desk for writing. So students, what for you use our desk? So you use our desk for writing. Okay, so you keep your notebook and book on the desk and you write on the in your notebook. Is that clear? And all your books that are extra, that you don't have to study in the particular period, so you keep it under the desk. Is that clear? So students, that's enough for today. So see you in the next video lesson. The further chapter we will read in the next video lesson, students. So you have to read this chapter at your home with the help of your guardian. This is your homework, so don't forget to complete your homework, students, and see you in the next video lesson. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself.